Remember that scene from Dhamal where Roy, Adi, Manav, and Burman are chasing rupees 10 CR treasure under the mysterious Big W in Goa? They run in circles, take wrong turns, crash cars, and still can't get the directions right. Well, if only they had a digipin. They might have found the treasure before the interval. Jokes aside, this exact confusion is not about treasure, but addresses what millions in India face every day. From missed deliveries to delayed ambulances, finding the right address is harder than it should be. That's why the Department of Post has proposed a policy, the Digital Hub for Reference and Unique Virtual Address, or simply put, Dhruva. Dhruva is a digital public infrastructure that aims to standardize geocode and digitally manage addresses across India. The system rests on two components. The DigiPin is a 10-character alphanumeric code that pinpoints a location on a 4x4 meter grid using geospatial data developed with ISRO and IIT Hyderabad. DigiPin links every address to exact latitude and longitude coordinates. No more behind the temple near the blue shop confusion. The second layer is the digital address. Think of it as your own smart custom label, something like username @Dhruva. This digital ID links your descriptive address to its corresponding digipin and you control who sees it. With Dhruva, you stay in control. You decide who can access your address data, you can revoke or update the access anytime, and the system is designed using a federal architecture. So your data isn't stored in one centralized database. It's all backed by the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. India's current address system is fragmented, informal, and often unreliable, especially in rural and urban informal areas. With Dhruva, the government envisions a simple, smart, and inclusive address infrastructure for all. Next time someone looks for treasure under the big W, at least they'll know where to dig exactly.